Hey guys, it's Audrey and today we're going to be making slime. So yesterday I made this like Grinch slime stuff. I call it Grinch slime. It's just like green slime, but I don't really like it because it's like really sticky. But like it still works fine. I just don't like it, so I gave it to my sister. But today we're going to be making better slime, and I think better slime. So what I have is like we couldn't find a bowl that we could use, and my mom doesn't want us using them after like bowls that we use. So I'm just using these leftover containers, and it's just on the lid. And that's also what I'm going to be storing in. I'm going to be storing it in here. I'm going to be mixing in here. And we have laundry detergent, and we have glue. Oh, and I don't know where it just went. There should be. I just had something to mix it with and I don't know where it went. But, whatever for now. I don't know. Sit up. I don't know. But, we can start anyways. So we don't have that much glue. Sorry, I'm trying to find this. Sharpie. Which I mixed. I don't know. Okay, well, we're just going to add in some glue. I don't want to make a big batch. It's probably good. Actually, no, I'm going to use the rest of the glue. I can go rinse this off. No. I can't use that pen, Sophie. Sorry, guys. Okay, so the glue is almost all out, I'm pretty sure. I just have a laundry detergent. Can you please find it?
I know. Oh, it's beside you. Right near the glue.
Oh, here it is. So I'm just going to add in just a little bit laundry detergent because you don't want to add too much or else it will like
Not
slime.
Yeah, it'll turn out like this.
And it's like it's just like not good. So you just want to add in a little bit at a time. So this might even not be enough, but it's fine. I got that much. Then we're going to take this. It's going to be very sticky the first like.
And you guys don't need to use a Sharpie to mix.
Yeah, you guys can use anything, but we're just using a Sharpie because I couldn't find anything else to mix with.
Yeah.
It's going to be very blobby, which I actually really don't like. But I mean, it's all
not
good.
That blobby.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, blobby.
So let's add some more laundry detergent. No, my Sharpie just fell in.
She likes doing this. She likes poking 2 holes, and then she likes flipping it and poking 2 holes.
Trying to get out the most laundry detergent I can. Now I have a bunch of glue all over my hand.
That's okay.
Okay, hold this.
Slime is very messy.
Oops, that's enough. See, that's what I'm using. I have a dot. Stop. I just added too much.
She's getting a dog. That's why we're using this.
Yeah, I'm just using this dog crate box because I'm getting a dog and the dog's crate just came. And if you guys subscribe, you guys will be notified when I post my next video, which I'm pretty sure will be me going to it'll be me in California because we're going there for Christmas.
I love California.
Me and my family are going there for Christmas because that's where almost all of our family lives. And I'll be filming like the plane trip. The plane like ride. There.
What if we don't have here? Do you want me to hold it?
Yes. Okay, and then we're gonna be filming maybe a little bit when we're there. It's gonna be like vlogging when I'm there, but I'm not gonna vlog on Christmas Day because my family
And on
There's
Christmas
so
Eve.
many. And not on Christmas Eve. I might be filming the day of Christmas Eve, but not Christmas Eve night.
Yeah. So we're going to a party. We don't know all the people.
Yeah, we don't even know like half the people.
Yeah.
We're only going to know about 5 or 6 of the people there. Okay, so now, and then when we come back, I'm going to be filming the plane trip back, and then I'll be filming the day that I get my puppy. It's very like gooey and sticky right now. Can you come over here, Sue?
Yeah.
And text Mom back and say, okay.
Yeah.
No, can you say good?
Yeah.
Slide it? No, wrong way. Click cancel. Slide it the other way. No.
You said slide it the other way.
Hold down the message and slide it. Click home. Slide it. Just click 5665.
5, 6, 6, 5.
Okay, we might need more.
So yeah.
Say good. G-O-O-D.
I know how to spell good.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay, now just put down my phone.
says delivered.
Okay, just put down my phone. Okay, you're good.
We got
It's
it.
starting to work.
We got it. Hot, hot. Ooh, we got it. Yeah, we got it.
So I think
Only
this video
got
is
one more.
but this like slime isn't like working right now.
Not. I'll help you.
It's sort of working. Not really.
I
think
can
have
always help you.
too much laundry detergent.
You can always use that one.
I'll always use that one. It's okay.
It's slime. You made slime art.
It's still like
Is it
sticky.
better than this one?
It's so sticky.
Never ever let it go.
I know this is very smudgy, but I'm taking laundry detergent in my hands and just mixing it in with the slime.
And if you guys are a little kid and you guys are making this, have an adult. We have an adult.
Well, I don't really need an adult supervision.
Yeah, she doesn't really need an adult supervising. Vision. Whatever. Oh,
So
that's so
staying together. Ooh, you know what I want to make one day? Ooh, black.
Ooh, black.
Ooh, block. Ooh, block. Ooh, black.
It's ooh, black.
Ooh, black.
Ooh, black. We only got one. Never ever let it cool.
Okay. Okay, and so from now on, don't think I'm stealing it from other people, but, like, I love it when people do this. Just today, we're going to have a question of the day. So it sounds like a would you rather question. It is like a would you rather question. Would you rather go on a plane trip? Actually, no, this will be for my next video. Probably. But would you rather make slime? Or would you rather make Play-Doh?
Good question. What a question.
But it's working, and it's like blue. You're good. Stop. So she's trying to end the video. But see, it's starting to work, and I'm actually really happy with it.
Yeah.
It worked really well. Yeah, and it's like not sticking
I
to
think
my
it made
fingers.
less than that.
Yeah, I made less than this. See, this was my first one. Second one. Actually, they're kind of the same.
Yeah.
This one just goes down a lot faster.
Yeah.
But see, this one's also like really sticky. But see, listen. I like this one a lot more. This one kind of feels like fluffy slime, which maybe I can make in a video. Maybe I'll make fluffy slime. But
you're happy.
I'm really happy with this. I might dye it. Ew, this thing has like green stuff in it. Oh, this one has green slime in it, I think. Whatever. Okay, guys. Oh, and I bet I just got it all hairy because it just touched the carpet. It's a little hairy. Because I hate carpet. That's why I hate carpet. I'd rather have hardwood floor. But that's it for this video. Make sure to give this video
hardwood
a thumbs up.
floor in your room. That's just weird.
No, it's not. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that big red subscribe button. Let's try to get to 25, like I said in my last video. Make sure to tell your friends, tell family, tell aliens, tell people.
Tell your dog.
Make sure to comment down below what video idea I should do. And yeah, bye.